What is electric charge? Every object is made up of something like this, an atom, neutral. That's, we have equal protons, this stuff at the middle are the protons, and equal electrons. So when the protons and electrons are equal, this object is neutral. If we remove some electrons, like let's just say we removed 2 electrons or maybe 1 electron, or we have more protons, that's 3 protons and 1 electron. So this object has been charged and this object becomes positively charged. So when we have more protons and less electrons, this object becomes positive. But what if we tend to add more electrons? We have 4 electrons and 3 protons. So this object becomes negatively charged. So say this object is negatively charged. So we add more electrons to an object, it becomes negatively charged. We remove electrons, it becomes positively charged. We could say there are 2 types of charges. We have the negative and the positive charge. And the unit of charge is the coulombs. It's written as C. Charges are additive. Let's talk about some properties of charges. They are additive, which means if you have 5 coulombs plus 3 coulombs, we have 8 coulombs. If we add a positive charge and a negative charge, like 10 coulombs plus minus 6 coulombs, we get 4 coulombs. So that is the meaning of charges being additive. Like charges repel each other. So when we have 2 like charges, they tend to repel each other. Unlike charges attract each other, like a proton and an electron, or a positive and a negative charge, they tend to attract each other. So these are what you should know about charges.